Coming at you again tonight, Outdoor Office family. Another duct tape project.
Yep, I did make this. This is not Isaac this time. It's
So what did you make?
Caleb's Candy and Juice vending machine.
Nice. Vending machine out of duct tape.
And cardboard. First, you can take your juice if you want juice. So you can almost slide down and take it out.
Well, let me see. Turn it around here so I can see this in action.
The mints that are right in here, you have to pull this for a mint. Because then in the mints they will fall through.
Okay.
This is my
let's pull it and see if it falls through.
Pull one.
Will one fall through? You get one out?
You got two actually.
Oh, somebody put the juice in my way. Any more come out?
Nope, that's it.
Alright.
And you load your mints from the top. And if you try to make one of these at home and you have a slope in here,
right,
you want to make sure before you do it, push them all down, because then that'll make them force up a lot more.
Okay.
And then they'll come out easier.
I told.
Yes, I did.
I told Caleb.
Get it out.
I told Caleb.
Well, sometimes candy machines get stuck and stuff. What's
I told
that?
Caleb to put something on the side, because if it's not going through, you can just push that in and make it.
All right.
I didn't listen to you because this is my craft.
All right, your craft. Duct tape vending machine. Mint and juice vending machine, that is. By Mr. C.J.
And you can also
Caleb Johnson.
these are the mints I used just from the Dollar General.
All right.
Go ahead and get those.
Some peppermint.
And you can also use gumballs if you want. Gumballs.
That's going to rot your teeth out, son.
No, these could actually work better because they roll easier.
Right. Okay. Well, there you go.
But we didn't put the gumballs in because they would get stale.
Can they get stale?
Can they get stale?
Maybe.
Maybe.
But, all right, guys. Y'all be good. And you know what? Let your kids invent. Let them build. Let them do stuff with their hands. Get them off the TV. Get them off the games. Get them off the phone. Make them come up with stuff.
I did it on Tuesday. I started Tuesday, finished it yesterday, and then I waited till today to get these.
All right.
And there you go. You got a duct tape, vending juice, and you got Caleb's Candy and Juice vending machine.
All right.
And
at your
well,
service.
We have mints, pull for mints right here, and one of each per person.
And if you didn't see right here on the back, is where you put your mints in.
Nice.
And they fall down to condos.
All right. Well, guys, y'all have a good one. And hit that subscribe button and see what else these meatheads are coming up with. What's the next project, guys?
I think we're going to make like a real vending machine where you have to like put a coin in to get your thing out.
Cool. All right.
Instead of just pulling something.
All right.
Because you could literally... Goodbye.
All right. Well, y'all be good. This is Larry Johnson from the Outdoor Office.
Another
At it again.
Duct tape craft.
Y'all be good.
And only had to use
No matter what the season,
we got you in our sights.
Absolutely, boys.
And we only had to use about half a roll of duct tape.
All right. Bye now.